Hi, today we are going to talk about the reading section. So yes, reading section has 3 passages. So today we are going to talk about how to manage time for the reading section. As we all know, there are 3 passages, so the total time is 60 minutes. To complete the question and answers within 60 minutes, so what I suggest is using the tricks. First, what we need to do is skim through the passage. So now what do we mean by skimming? Skimming means going through the passage fast and quick. We don't go through the lines in details or reading it one by one. So yes, how does skimming help? Skimming help us by quickly going through the passages. We try to remember and mark the keywords in our brain, so that will make us easy to deal with the answers later. And the second thing I suggest would be reading the introduction and the conclusion, that is reading the first line and the last line. So how does that help? Yes, if we go through all the lines and if we read through all the passages, then it might take time. So once we know what the subject is or the topic is, then we can go through the introduction and the conclusion, which will help us to find the answers. Yes, and thirdly, I would like to suggest that we need to go through the questions first rather than going to the passage searching for answers, because it will confuse us more. Once we look at the questions, we will know what to look for in the passage. So yes, I would suggest going through the questions first. Thank you.